My viewers and subscribers, how you guys doing? Hope all is well with you. I'm trying to figure out what is actually going on with Trump and the Caribbean. Because I'm seeing where Bruce Golding was talking to Deion Jackson Miller, and they were saying, he said that no Caribbean island is safe, no Caribbean country prime minister is safe, meaning that none of them is safe. They can be captured at any given time. And he went on to say that Andrew Holness might be next in getting captured. They might even come and take him out of his bed in the middle of the night. But I'm trying to understand what is actually going on. What is going on with Trump and these Caribbean ministers? What is going on? Because why you just capturing these people? Why the people are on their P's and Q's? They can be captured at any time. Is this something that a president can really do? Just capture people as he like, as he wants to? I'm trying to understand it. If it's right by law for you to just capture people. And then Bruce Golding also went on to say that the CARICOM need to unite and come together as one. So this sounds very serious. This sounds very, very serious to me. But anyway, guys, I'm going to give you a chance to listen to what Bruce Golding said.
No head of government is safe. The response from former Prime Minister Bruce Golding in relation to tension between Venezuela and the United States. Mr. Golding weighed in on the region's response on Radio Jamaicans Beyond the Headlines moments ago.
The ongoing standoff between Venezuela and the United States intensified last weekend, and since then, the region has been on edge. The dispute has once again placed the Caribbean in a delicate position, given its geographic proximity, economic ties, and long-standing diplomatic relationships with both countries. Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding says the moment calls for a unified CARICOM response.
It would have been better if they were able to take a united position, muted though that might have to be, recognizing that they are confronted with terrible forces. The fact that Trinidad has separated itself is not a good thing. And I hope that that is an issue that will be resolved in due course.
Golding also addressed growing public debate and concerns from the public that Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness's response to the ongoing situation has been weak.
Trump operates with no boundaries. There's nothing that he feels is beyond the pale. And he will do whatever he thinks is necessary to further U.S. interests. So when Prime Minister Holness spoke yesterday, he was very careful, he was very measured. He understood that his primary responsibility is to ensure the protection of the Jamaican people.
Mr. Golding went further, arguing that no leader is safe.
No head of government in CARICOM is safe. Andrew Holness could miss that in the middle of the night. And they would then...
I'm so sorry, you broke up a little. Andrew Holness what?
He could be snatched in the middle of the night.
Oh, you mean like Maduro?
And they will find some charges to impose. So that what the Prime Minister said yesterday is the appropriate position of the Jamaican government.
As regional leaders continue consultations, questions remain about how things will unfold in the days ahead. Concerns, too, about how Jamaica will position itself amidst rising international pressure. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
And he also said, Andrew gave a speech and he was very careful. He chose his words wisely whilst he was speaking. So when you see you have to be on your P's and Q's, then you have to be mindful of what you are saying, or you bring across your speech, whatever words you use. That sounds very serious and threatening to me. What is happening? What is actually going on? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, check out the video and listen to it carefully to what Bruce Golding is saying, and tell me your views and your thoughts in the comment section. Share, comment, and subscribe. But this sounds very serious and threatening to me in the Caribbean. And we are one Caribbean people. And as he said, we need to unite and become as one. Something is clearly going on in the Caribbean that Trump is actually after. Something is actually going on. But anyhow, let's just pray and beg God to guide and protect us. And only God alone can do it. So let's see what's happening. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you all have a blessed day, and I'll update you on the next video.